Hey friends, it's Miss Lynch with your week 3 options for art. I'm really excited to offer you 3 options that you can choose from. You're always welcome to do more than one. A few people I've noticed are excited about it and create more than one. You can fill out the form in our Google Forms as many times as you want. So even if you do the same project twice and maybe do it in a different way, you can gladly submit the pictures to me. I love seeing your work. I'm so inspired by what you're doing. It's phenomenal. So your week 1 option this week is the Recreate Challenge. It is to recreate or reenact a famous artwork. I have shown you a bunch of examples in our Google Doc, as well as given you a list of some famous artworks you might want to choose to recreate. Your goal is to recreate it using objects you have around your house and yourself, your family, your animals. Some of them are really silly. Your second option is a value scavenger hunt. A lot of you did an excellent job on your found object color wheels. This kind of falls along those lines. People who have worked with me know about one of our favorite videos, value, tones, tints, and shades. It's a value challenge. I want you to look for tones, tints, and shades of one color. This is also called monochromatic. Mono means one and chroma means color. So one color. You'll find objects in your house of the same color. I found things that were yellow. A plant from our classroom. You will then put them in order from lightest to darkest, making a value scale, showing that difference. We know that value is the lightness or darkness of things. So we want to line them up. So I have the lightest to the darkest, and then take a picture. Your third option is another fun, cool challenge. I don't know if you're like me, but I have a ton of laundry all piled up. It's a laundry art challenge. You are challenged to draw a picture using laundry. I've shown you a bunch of videos down below. Some where people make portraits, actually faces that are more intricate, but some that are a little bit easier. There's a great art teacher who's made things like boats and flowers and different things using laundry. So don't feel that you have to recreate a famous artwork or create a picture of yourself. You can just free draw something with laundry. But there's a bunch of examples in our Google Doc. There's a really cool artist that you can learn about who uses laundry to make art. You can also check out videos of people who have done this type of challenge before. So I cannot wait to see what you choose. We will be meeting this week for Art Club Wednesdays. Our Art Club Wednesday this week will be to just kind of talk about what you guys would like to do for the future weeks. So do you want to do drawing tutorials with me? Do you want to just have a day where we just show our art and talk about it with each other? What are the things that you're interested in doing? I want to make our Art Club Wednesdays catered to you, doing things that you would like. So tell me what you'd like me to do with you. I cannot wait to see you guys. I'll see you on Art Club Wednesdays. Please submit your work in the Google Forms and have a great week.